Hi, I'm Olympia in Tottenham in North London. I've got two girls at home aged 9 and 11. We're currently in our 5th week of lockdown. The girls have been set some work from school, which they're working through, and I'm working full time still, so it's been tricky to balance. My two kids are relatively close in age, and because they're both beginners at coding, they can do the digital making activities together rather than me having to find separate ones for each of them, which is really nice. One thing that has worked really well for us is to have a bit of a routine for the day. So I've tried to block in more regularly when I'm having lunch into my work calendar, and the girls know when we're going to be having lunch and when they've got some activity time that they can spend either on their school activities or other free choice activities like digital making at home, and that's helped manage everyone's expectations about when we're going to be able to do stuff together and when we each have to sort of do stuff separately. So I'd recommend that.